This is my MacBook Pro 2016. It's more than just a laptop. It's been my companion since 2016. We've been through a lot together: projects, failures, breakthroughs, memories. But one day I made a mistake. I was replacing the battery, a simple task, but in my carelessness, I accidentally knocked off some tiny components from the motherboard, capacitors and inductors. In that moment, I didn't fully understand what I'd done, but I refused to give up. I told myself I will fix this, no matter what. With a soldering iron in one hand and hope in the other, I began the journey. But I quickly realized I didn't even know what those missing parts were, or how critical they might be. That's when I asked Chatbot for help. I uploaded microscope photos of my board and a reference image from the internet. I needed a second brain, or maybe 1,000 brains, and I got one. With its help, I traced the missing parts L4500 and C4500 using the logic board map. It was a moment of clarity. Now I just needed replacements. Enter the donor. An old GTS 250 graphics card I had lying around. It had the tiny parts I needed. I just had to harvest and transplant them. A tech surgery was about to begin. Plus, I spent hours under the microscope, soldering, rechecking, cleaning, testing, holding my breath with every move. These weren't just parts, they were the lifeline of my MacBook. And then it happened. The fan spun, but the screen stayed black. My heart broke. I failed to bring it back fully, at least not yet. But in that failure, I found something even greater: knowledge, growth, and belief in myself. I did something highly technical, something most people wouldn't even try. I'm proud of what I learned, proud that I didn't give up, and proud that I had a little help from Chatbot, my tireless assistant, through this journey. This is just the beginning. If I can do this, I can do anything.